Oh.
No, there was something on my shirt, so I tried.
Okay.
Yeah. One second.
Good morning from Hawaii.
Classic Manilla video. When I was like, how old are you? He's like, I'm 2. And then he, oh, 5. I'm like, oh, you're 5? No.
Cease.
Manilla, you're 6.
Cease.
You did it. You're not a liar anymore. You're finally 6. How old are you?
2.
Show me with your fingers. Say, I'm 2.
5.
You're 5?
Yeah. 5.
You're 5?
6.
You're 6?
Yeah.
There's a website we use called Skillshare. It is an endless library of online tutorials and classes. For us, it teaches the skills necessary to journal and document our lives. Garrett began by simply studying the basics of photography, and he worked his way up through expert-level video editing. There are classes by expert photographers that he's looked up to for years, like Chris Picard teaching specifics on how to shoot at different times of the day. I see Garrett work tirelessly on improving his skills on Skillshare, and I know why he does it. More than anything, Garrett treasures our family memories. Our little boy Manilla turned 6 this week. Garrett has documented his childhood since the day Manilla was born. So every once in a while, we can look back through old footage and slow down time, if even just for a moment. Check out the link in the description for a free 2-month trial to a Skillshare premium membership.
Speaking of skills, who's the most skilled 6-year-old boy you know?
Man, Manilla's so cool.
Manilla, it's your birthday, buddy, and we just love you so much, and we are so grateful and so lucky to be your parents. This is what I've been thinking about lately. Have you realized that he is just a really cool young boy? And some young boys are like just difficult to like parent, you know what I mean? Not Manilla. Manilla
No.
is just a charm. He's just so pleasant. He's so funny. He's really cool right now. This stage.
Yes, super funny and also very like thoughtful, cerebral. Like he comes over to you with like the craziest questions. Yesterday he comes over and goes, "Mom, why does paper beat rock?" And I was like, "Why does paper beat rock?"
That's a good question.
He was like, "That just doesn't make sense." Why
And
would
rock, paper, scissors?
Why would paper
That's a
beat
good
rock? And
question.
I was like, "Man, buddy, just asking life's toughest questions."
Yes, which makes me wonder like what your church talk has been about lately, because he asked me the question, Dad, who makes food, Jesus or science? I was like, great question. And then he's like, how about the wrappers? Like the wrapper that your food comes in.
So I get that Jesus can make food, but can he do the wrapper?
That one's got to be science. Okay, what were you asking?
What were you doing? Is rappers made from Jesus or science? I think it's made from science.
Are wrappers made like the food wrappers?
Yeah, are they made from science or Jesus? Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, those are cool.
I think they're made from science.
Yeah?
Yeah. Water.
Wada. Yeah. He's just, he's so awesome right now. Does he come up to you with just the most heartfelt, like, I love you, Dad?
Yeah, or like, Mom, you look really pretty. And I'm like, oh, jeez. I love you.
The best. Wait, hold up. First, we need to find a knife.
I got one.
You got? Why do you have a butterfly knife? I got one. Callie, where did you get a butterfly knife? Bum, bum, bum. Drum roll. Your turn. Bum, 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 bum. What is it? Whoa.
Whoa.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. What's this?
What is that?
It's a big wheel.
I kind of feel like we should wait for Manilla to get home. Oh,
Ooh,
dude.
It's a brain.
What is that? Do you know what that is? Can you see? What is it? Well, geez, do I show this to Manilla now or do I wait for his birthday? Wait till his birthday? All right. Let's do it. Okay, don't tell Manilla. Who's home? Who's home?
Hey, guys, come and see it. And I want to see guys. Come see it.
No, Callie. Hey. Callie, come here. Come inside.
It's a guy.
Yes. Hey, shh. Hey. It's a surprise, so you can't tell him what it is. Shh. It's a surprise.
And
No, go back. You can't tell him. It's a surprise.
I've been in it for a while.
Okay, don't tell him, okay? Shake my hand. Say, I won't tell him. I started opening it and I saw what was inside. I thought, this should be for Manilla. Go for it, buddy.
What? Remote control? Yeah. What?
Let's see if it works. There it comes.
I'll go over there.
Okay, you gotta have a bigger tunnel, bud.
Last time, I'll go over there like this.
Oh, you got it. Get it. Okay, here it comes. Go, Dorothy.
I'll go down it.
Sorry. Okay, here it comes. Oh, Dorothy. Okay, stay there, Dorothy. When I say go, you drop, okay? You drop. Almost.
You better run. Wait. It's over there. A better one. Oh, you better run. No. Let me go.
Props to you, Jess, because your superhero skill is celebrating special events, especially birthdays, making people feel special on their special day. So always the day before like the kids' big birthday party with their friends, Jessica does a very special, just the family, dinner, birthday cake. For Manilla is always on a dock, and a special surprise or two. Okay, stand right there and wait because we have a surprise for you behind this door. Okay, Dorothy, you want to go open the door?
Yeah.
Okay.
My bike! I love it!
Wow!
Can we practice?
Yeah, I think you can just write it, buddy.
Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, Dad. Whoa. You got this?
For you!
What's Manilla is marbles. It'll be like a track for marbles.
Yeah, you make a racetrack for the marbles.
But actually it's gonna be super duper hard.
Yeah, it's gonna be super duper awesome.
What's in here? Oh, I wonder. I bet it's a surprise.
1,
2, and it is nothing. Where? I thought it was nothing. And every
Whoa!
what? Manilla, look. What? You wait a minute. Manilla, Go with it. You try to land it. Whoa! Thank you, Dad. Wait, who was that? Mom, Dad? What? Mom. Another? Oh! Another? What?
What? So you can like play each other. It's like a game.
This one's thank you, Mom. I'll take credit for the bike.
Thank you, Mom. You're the best mom in the world.
I went. Okay, let's eat. Let's say a prayer, guys.
All right, time to eat.
Hold your arms, everybody.
Pepperoni.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manilla. Happy birthday to you.
Yay. Did you make a wish?
I gotta stick mine on the
It was to do candle jumping. I never went. Oh, you.
Go for it, Callie.
Who wants to lift the candle?
How is it? Oh my gosh. What a mess. Can I try a bite?
I was just dipping it like.
This is from your mom?
Yeah.
It's a good idea. It's a cute gift.
Yeah, these sets are awesome.
Did you have one when you were little?
No, but they're one of those ones that anytime like anybody has them, I like sit and play with them.
Yeah. I want to point out in the videos that when Manilla blows out the candles, you can see Dorothy just like so excited and
Nobody
clapping.
loves celebrations more than Dorothy.
It's very true. But she's done that 6 years in a row now, where she is so happy for her little brother.
And like living in the candle moment.
Yeah. Oh, look at Dorothy. When those candles get blown out, she can literally feel and see the wishes going up into the heavens, and she is so stoked.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manilla. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out your candles. Blow them out.
Yeah.
But he loves to be silly. He loves to play with his little buddies. And we decided to throw him a little ninja party over at the trampoline park.
What's going on?
Rolling sushi.
Ooh.
For the ninja party. I learned this in Dubai.
So the Rice Krispies is the rice. The fruit roll-ups is fish.
It's fish.
And then does anything go on the outside?
I'll wrap this around it for seaweed. The fruit by the foot.
Mom of the year right here. Oh, that's cute.
We got our nigiri.
Wait, where'd the rolls end up?
They're up here. I haven't cut them yet. And then we got ninja cupcakes. Pretty good, huh?
Fun fact, Jess invented Pinterest.
Looks so good.
Which ones are you more proud of? These ones are pretty. Those are the
It's
ones.
pretty good, yeah.
Careful, Manilla. See how far you can go. Oh. Oh, get that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go, Callie. That's nice, buddy. Oh, she's a cutie, huh? Swipe the leg. No. Oh no. Oh no. Dude, where'd your clothes go? You gotta put your clothes on, bud. Okay, put your clothes on first. George!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manilla. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! What?
What? I bought it for you.
He's right next to you, bud.
You want this? There's 2 presents. Open it. What?
Oh, that's from Jack.
It's called a tap tap.
Oh my god.
Can you give me more money?
Manila, that truck is super cool.
That's a really.
Did you write this? Did you do this? Oh my gosh, I forgot. Gianni is like a crazy good artist. Whoa!
Oh, and money.
Here, let's read it.
Subscribe to
Happy birthday, Manila. I
$30.
hope you get presents. I hope you have the best birthday in the world. I hope you have a fun birthday party. Love playing with you. You're a cool ninja. Gianni.
Thank you. Wait, give me a hug.
Go around and give him a big hug. Go around.
Here. Now thank you.
You guys are all the best.
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, Maddox.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
Load up the everything. Thank you.
This is from Whitaker?
I have that Lego. I have that Lego. I have that Lego.
Whoa.
I have the same Lego. Thank you. It's my birthday! Yay! Congratulations!
Congratulations. How old are you?
6.
All right, so do you have any advice for a 6-year-old Manila?
Just keep having fun. Keep asking the hard questions. And keep being the good boy that you are. I love you, Manila.
I'm Manila boy. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, buddy. We love you.
See ya. Are you ready? Whoa. How are you doing that?